Hello.
Hi.
Uptown Swing.
Naomi.
Brian.
Level 4.
Variations.
Correct. So we reviewed what y'all did last week. Look at the video. And then we took all those rhythms and put them on the other half, the second half of our 8-count basic. So examples.
We're with the hold ball change.
You got it.
It's gonna be the.
Should we turn around
Yeah.
and be nice?
Yeah, let's do it. It's gonna be a 1, 2, 3,
and 4,
hold,
and 6, 7, 8.
Ba da 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 da. Then we had the early 6. Ba ba.
Got it. Boom, boom, ba ba da, boom, ba 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 da. We can go up with it or down with it. Boom, ba. Okay. Then we messed with the triple step, same way we did on the first half last week.
Ball change step.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Hey. Ba da ba. Then we did a triplet. Boom, boom. A. A. And then we mixed them all up. And then we challenged you to do a big smorgasbord of everything in 8-count. And then we said, try it in 6-count. And that was the very, very end of class. That was a little bit more like homework. So just to remind you, some of the stuff you can do.
Hey. Hey.
And that was it. Hey.